All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am getting ready to go for a trike ride. I'm going to be going with my friend Joni, who is the priest at the church where I have my truck and trailer, and I've been staying here for about a month, waiting out the coronavirus lockdown in California. And we are going to be looking for a lake, which I think is pronounced Lake Cahuilla. I'm not entirely sure. I think it's about going to be about a 35-mile ride. And Joni has just had a GoSpade electric assist system installed on her trike. She just got back from Dana at Bent Cycles, and he did the installation, so it's going to be fun to see what that's like. And one thing that Joni and I have in common is we both play Pokemon Go. It's a virtual reality game that I've always used walking, and Joni has shown me that if I just have this little device, which you can see on my shirt sleeve, that I'll be able to play it while I'm triking. And one of the really fun things about Pokemon Go is it's worldwide, and it has a virtual map, and on the map there are Pokestops, and you spin these Pokestops and you get things you need to play the game. But the other thing that these Pokestops offer is it tells you a lot of information about where you are. And so I have used Pokemon Go all over the world, and it has really helped me to get a better insight into where I'm traveling. And so we're getting ready to get Myrtle out of the truck, and we're going to be taking off shortly. So all right, let's go.
Come on, Myrtle, let's go.
All right, so we're on a quieter road, and I wanted to give a little bit of an update on my channel. Over the years, I think I started this channel about 3 years ago, and ever so often I get a request for closed caption and to have my narration or whatever anybody's talking about show up written on the screen. And I've just never known how to do this. And somebody recently asked me about it again, and it kind of motivated me to look into it a little bit closer, and I think I figured it out. And so there is now closed caption titles on my videos. And if you look to the bottom of your screen, there's a lot of settings for, one setting is for video quality. I think there's a sound volume slider, and next to it is a button that says CC. And if you press that button, it will enable closed caption. So yeah, give that a try. Let me know if it works for you. I hope it does. And but we're enjoying a beautiful ride out here, trying to find a lake. Yeah, so this is an area with a lot of horses, and on the other side of the street there's a trail for horses, an equestrian trail, which is pretty neat. Whoops. Even though there's a bike lane, I'm taking the sidewalk. All right, so we're on a busier street and we've lost our sidewalk, but it has been replaced with a bike lane. So we're going to take this a little ways. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. I think the temperature is about 75, and the forecast was for 80 today. Bright blue skies, lots of sunshine. Fantastic. Little Joni leading the way. Okay, we're getting closer. This is the lake we're looking for, Lake Cahuilla, Veterans Regional Park. We are finding our way. know what happened to Joni. Oh, here she comes. All right, we're making a right here. Oh, look at these mountains. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't that something? Okay, so we have found Lake Cahuilla. Of course, there's another development. There's developments everywhere. Oh, Joni's up ahead. I was messing with my camera. Got a little behind. So we just came through the entrance and the man gave us a pass for, he said 10 minutes. So we'll see if on the way out he charges us, because I think we're going to be here longer than 10 minutes.
We're rolling.
Yeah, but this is Lake Cahuilla. Oh, look at this. They've got bighorn sheep. It's pretty warm out here right now, so I kind of doubt we'll see any. But here comes Joni. Was kind of hoping to try out the drone, and I think we could do it over here at the campground. Lake Cahuilla. Maybe that's how it's pronounced. I could be very wrong about that. And there's pelicans, geese in the water. Enjoying a beautiful afternoon. You can hear shots from a gun range echoing off the mountains. Yeah, it sounds funny. Yeah, we're heading back. Just a gorgeous ride out here. Beautiful day. Taking a lot of wildlife. Beautiful flowers everywhere. Joni said it was 85 degrees out here, so it's pretty warm. Look at this Roadrunner sculpture in the middle of a roundabout. That's pretty cool, huh? all the palm trees. All right, you guys, so we're back at the truck. I've got Myrtle put back, safe and sound. And we just had a great ride. I think Joni's new electric assist system worked out great. I think she's gonna love it. And we played a lot of Pokemon. It was really, really fun. And got a chance to try out my new drone and some of the motion tracking. And boy, there's so much to learn. There's all kinds of skills that are pre-programmed into this drone where you just press a button and it does its own path. It's already programmed. And so I'm really looking forward to trying that out. And I'm hoping that the closed captioning for this video is working. Let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And I hope everybody remains safe and healthy. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you.